Welcome to Poetry Changes Lives, Poetry, History, a Thought for the Day, all in this one book. PoetryChangesLives.com is the website where you can read all about it, see other videos, and buy the book itself if you have a mind to. On this day, in 1875, the French physician, missionary, philanthropist, philosopher, and musician Albert Schweitzer was born. He was an expert pianist and organist and became an absolute expert on the restoration of ancient church organs in his early life. But at the age of 30, he decided he was going to change and become a missionary and hand his life over to helping other people and the guidance of God, using Jesus Christ as his role model. He therefore studied medicine and theology and was eventually able to secure backing to start a hospital in Gabon in West Africa. In 1913, he and his wife and son departed for Gabon. Lambaréné was the place where his famous hospital was established, and it still exists today. This became the main focus of his life's work. He died there in 1965. He won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1952 for his philosophical writing, Reverence for Life. He was a friend of Einstein, Bertrand, Russell, and many people who were deeply concerned about world peace, nuclear disarmament, that sort of thing. He also loved animals, whom he felt mankind should respect much more. He wrote this beautiful prayer for animals, which I very much like. Hear our humble prayer, O God, for our friends the animals, especially those who are suffering or deserted, or frightened or hungry, or those that are hunted and lost. We entreat for them all thy mercy and pity, and for those who deal with them we ask a heart of compassion, and gentle hands and kindly words. Make us be true friends to animals, and so to share the blessings of the merciful. Today I reflect on the wonderful example of Albert Schweitzer, who has been a force for good throughout the world. Thanks for listening.